Took a loss on the day. In my opinion, it's a good loss. I mean, it is a good loss, not my opinion. It's a good loss. Price action wasn't the most efficient today. We got moves, but it wasn't super efficient. So I'll talk to you guys about what I was seeing. So NFP, we created this wick. We created this data high and data low. But the important thing was on the higher time frame, this this buy model that we were in. Let me take these executions off the screen. This buy model that we were in, right? So we closed above this new week opening gap, and we just been pushing higher, right? And we took previous week high was the draw, right? So coming into the day, I think this is exactly 9:30. Yep. At not around 9:30 ish, we take previous week high, right? Then we put in the S&T, right? But I'm not shorting here because of we have this. I think it's a 5 minute fair value gap. Yep, 5 minute fair value gap. So I want to see some structure build around that. We failed that. We got S&T at the highs. We swept previous week low. We can see us going down here, right? Now, what I mean by price action wasn't the most efficient, but we moved is like you see this here, right? This is say you enter on the change in the state here. You just get a mad aggressive. Like there's no room for entry here, right? So what I say to myself is, okay, price is clearly bearish. Let's wait for a rebalance. So we rebalance to this 5 minute at 10:35, right? So we rebalance to this 5 minute, and I got S&T actually here at the highs. Um, so that gave me more conviction. We sleep the high inside of it. You see how we wicking this perfect, and then we fail these fair value gaps, right? So I enter once we fail this one, targeting these lows, right? Um, when we were down here, I set my like down here. I set my stop loss to right here because I really didn't see any reason for price to come back up here, right? Because if price was gonna come back up here, we were gonna sweep the high again. Because you like you could say this could possibly be turtle soup, but like we're not just gonna wick right there. We're gonna go for the high. So that's what ended up fucking happening to me. Now keep in mind, I didn't cut this trade early because this S&T is still valid, and it still ended up playing out. Um, we sweep the high one more time, and then we just dump. I mean, dump like just in one candle. Um, Definitely not like super efficient. Um, you could say unlucky, but I don't like using unlucky when it comes to trading. Uh, but I mean, like sometimes you'll have times like this. You know what I mean? The thing is, the model still works. You know what I mean? I can still read price. Yeah, and I took a small loss. Definitely risk managed. So I'm not mad about it. I could have waited for a change in the state somewhere down here to fully confirm that price wanted to go lower. But I'm not mad about this loss. So down on the week, um, I was actually in a similar situation last month where one day I kind of blew up and gave back a lot of profit. Um, so now for next week, it's going into the week and recognizing where that happens and why that happens and not allowing it to happen. Because what I don't want is for this to be, because last month I ended the month profitable. Don't want this to be a continuous thing where I'm good and then I'm bad and then I'm good and I'm bad and I minimize my profit, right? So I got to play some defense against myself, but it's all good because last month, the confidence that I'm getting is last month I was able to work my way out of this. This month I can still work my way out of this. Yeah. But that's the trade recap for today. Small loss on the day. All good.